Hello, I'm David Reynolds, President of Home Federal Bank. On behalf of East Tennessee PBS and Home Federal Bank, I am pleased to announce this year's Be More Award winners. Each month, Home Federal Bank and East Tennessee PBS present a Be More Award and recognize a leader or organization that provides important services and support to our community. Home Federal is proud of our long-standing commitment to supporting the people of our community, and it is an honor to bring to you these outstanding leaders and organizations.
I'm Sam Maynard, the Executive Director of James White's Fort. James White's Fort was established in 1786 when he did finally move into the fort, and it was opened up to the public, what you see behind me, in 1970 for the James White Fort Association to tour for all the people in Knoxville and different parts of the world that comes in here. We offer the community the historical beginning of this area with the cabins, the lifestyle, the way they cooked, the way they slept, the way they just normally did things back in those days, which was very rustic. We do have different events during the year that represents the 1790s, the way the fort began. Hopes for the future of the fort is to continue on the education of our forefathers, how we lived, how we worked, and how we played,